You probably use the content browser often when working with Unreal Engine. But did you know you can tag assets, use syntax to define advanced filters, and even edit thumbnails? First, let's start with some quick-fire functionalities and shortcuts. Multiple content browsers. Open asset window. Browse to asset. Open or edit asset. You can also edit the content browser path, similar to how you do in Window Explorer. Copy path to asset can be useful too. Select actors using this asset. This picks up actors, the actor type, even if lower in the component hierarchy. Collections allow you to tag specific assets, e.g., make a collection for assets ready for artist to use in the editor, similarly to how you can favorite a folder. It's commonly known to filter things by plain text and just by writing text if you know the exact name of the file you're looking for. But here's an example of advanced filtering. Anything you see in the metadata when hovering on asset should be accessible as a filter. You can also save filters, like the one we just searched for. Keep in mind, filters are additive, so they stack on top of each other if multiple are on, including the current search syntax. Let's enable and look at more filters I made for this example. As for the thumbnail editor, there's multiple types. If you don't have any static mesh, just right-click and asset actions and then capture thumbnail. If you do have a static mesh or any sort of 3D model, go to Settings in the Content Browser and Thumbnail Edit mode. Tune in every week for quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.